are at Adani Ammunition Complex facility in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. This 500-acre facility is part of the UP Industrial Defence Corridor project. The company claims that it can manufacture 25% of the country's small arms ammunition requirement within 3 years. Adani Defence and Aerospace says it has clear roadmap to bolster India's defence capabilities through indigenization, technological advancement and innovation. From 3 specialized facilities, the company is manufacturing aerial, naval and ground systems, including AWACS, counter-drone systems, small arms, artillery guns, rotary platforms, missiles, kamikaze drones and loitering munitions.
आप अभी जो प्रोडक्ट देख रहे हैं ये है NGAR नेक्स्ट जनरेशन एंटी रेडिएशन मिसाइल कैन बी फायर्ड फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट दैट इंडिया हैज इट हैज बीन conducted with the successful trials with Sukhoi 30 Mach 1 and it has a range of more than around 200 to 300 kilometers.
Okay.
And it is primarily used to destroy the air defense systems of the enemies because it hovers on the enemy's radar systems and radio frequencies and hones upon them and destroys them.
Okay.
That is the core capability of this missile systems.
Okay.
This is again Imdarka and it is a 5.56 cross 45 mm carbine system which we have in offer. And this is chambered with generally a 30 round magazine and having a capability to fire single round as well as full automatic that you can see. Our CEO just mentioned the Sky Strikers and the Agnika loitering munitions, ULPGMs, were effectively used in the Operation Sindhu.
The process of making ammunition here is extensive and highly controlled. From metal casings to loading propellant and assembling cartridges, most stages are carried out in-house. Currently, this facility produces about 80 to 100 million rounds per year, with plans to scale up capacity to 300 million rounds.
इसे कप बन के आ रहा है। हाँ, कप बनने के बाद यहाँ पे कार्ट्रिज है, डिफरेंट स्टेजेस हैं, ट्रांसफर प्रेसेस, वॉशिंग करके ये कार्ट्रिज बन जाएगा। ठीक है, आगे सिमिलरली बुलेट की लाइन है। अच्छा, और बुलेट के बाद फिर असेंबली की लाइन है यहाँ पे। दीज आर ऑल फुल्ली ऑटोमेटेड मशीन्स। ऑपरेटर्स जो खड़े हुए हैं, इन ऑपरेटर्स बेसिकली लॉट इंस्पेक्शन जो करना होता है उसके लिए, और जब आपको टूल एक्सचेंज करना है उसके लिए हैं ये लोग। मशीन चलाने में दे आर जस्ट प्रेसिंग द बटन। इसके अलावा आप देखेंगे हमारा पूरा का पूरा यू विल फाइंड स्क्रीन्स ऑन एवरी मशीन। द प्रोडक्शन मॉनिटरिंग इज डन यूजिंग MES. Everything that the machine is doing goes into MES, and then the OE etc. are displayed on the top screen. Okay. So complete control is digital. You will not find papers around this facility.
ये explosive, ठीक है, very sensitive to be. ये explosive content जो का है इसका, ये आपका इस केस के बैक साइड पर अनप्राइम्ड केस बोलते हैं जब तक इसमें पीछे कुछ नहीं लगा। ठीक है, इस अनप्राइम्ड केस में यहाँ पर पीछे ये जो मैंने आपको चीज दिखाई ये प्लेस वायर प्राइमर, और उसके बाद प्लेस करके आपको उसकी क्रिम्पिंग करके ताकि वो होल्ड रहे। ठीक है, ये ऐसा आपका प्राइम्ड केस रेडी होता था। और प्राइम्ड केस होने के बाद चूंकि आपके पीछे भी होल था, आगे भी होल है, तो के टाइटनेस एक पैरामीटर होता है NATO के AET स्टैंडर्ड का, जिसमें आपका 30 सेकेंड तक की वाटर में इमर्स रहता है बुलेट है आपका पूरा पैट है, और उसमें अगर 2 बबल ऊपर आ गए तो रिजेक्ट होता है।
Right now, the capacity of this facility is 150 million round, and it is making around 80 to 100 million round depending on the order book. The company also plans to increase the target of making it to 300 million rounds in next 1 year. Adani Defence also emphasizes quality control. Testing is carried out under NATO standards from extreme temperatures to ballistic accuracy and casualty function test.
We all are following the NATO standards as per the AP97, and we are carrying out various tests in our pro-firing range or in the ballistics lab. First test is where you're standing. This is called the EPVAT testing. So we get around 90 rounds only for the EPVAT testing. For EPVAT testing at different temperatures, because our forces are deployed at extreme temperatures. So I have to ensure my ammunition should function satisfactorily under with the designated weapons and under the extreme temperatures. All the parameters like velocity, pressure, case mouth pressure and port pressure, they should be within the NATO limits, and the specifications are very much laid down.
The company claims that around 80 to 90% of the component used in manufacturing of these bullets are made in this facility only, with primer and propellant being outsourced from outside. The company also plans to set up the primer and propellant facility. With Pinto Kumar, this is Saurabh Kumar for ET Online.